Hey hot tubbers, did your hot tub finally come in and it is the middle of winter and you now can actually take delivery of your hot tub and you're thinking there is no way I can take this hot tub on delivery now that there is snow on the ground and things are happening. Stay tuned and I'm going to tell you exactly how you can still take your hot tub when it is this cold out and the snow is blowing. So hey hot tubbers, welcome back. I just wanted to leave the snow up here for a second just because, you know guys, everybody thinks that they can't take their hot tub in the middle of the winter. And I can tell you, I live in South Dakota. It is totally crazy cold out and there is snow on the ground. And yes, we can deliver hot tubs in the winter. We do deliver hot tubs in winter. We deliver them year round. We never stop. Now, I will tell you, there are days that we do not deliver hot tubs. When the wind is blowing and it's blizzard and you shouldn't be out, we're not going to be out. There's some reality to that. So just kind of keep that in mind, but you could definitely still take your hot tub. So here's a couple of tips that I can tell you, and visit with your dealer and see what your dealer has to say. I am more making this video so that my customers will know what's going to happen when they take a winter hot tub delivery. So number one, once you decide that you're going to take a hot tub, or you know that your hot tub's coming and it may come in the winter, you definitely want to do everything in your power to keep the spot clear of snow and ice where the hot tub's going to be going. Don't wait till the day before. Literally, when you're shoveling the sidewalk all winter long, make sure you shovel the space for your hot tub. It's really, really important that you do that because we can't really set the hot tub on top of snow and we can't really set the hot tub on top of ice. So really important that you do that. When you let's turn the snow off. So that's number one. Make sure that you get your space clear. Now, we as a dealership at some point, and it's typically mid-November, early December, we actually start winterizing every single hot tub that goes out of the building. So we don't even, because they can actually even freeze up. So all the hot tubs that I sell are tested before so the water is run through them. There's always a little bit of water left in those hot tubs. And so they can actually freeze when it gets the real bitter cold on the truck from the warehouse to your house. They can actually freeze up in that time frame. So there's a certain time where we actually just start winterizing, and that's just how it is. So we open up your hot tub, we blow out all the lines, we put antifreeze in it, and it's going to be just fine. We do it all the time. We've been doing it for years. So it's a big deal. So make sure that you don't let that stop you. So we do that, and we will fill it up, we'll winterize it, and that way, in case the electrician for some reason doesn't make it, or it didn't fire up right away, or something along that lines, we're safe. We've got some time. There's no pressure. Everything's okay. And so then when we show up to your house, we do prefer a path cleared from wherever the truck's going to park to where the hot tub's going to go. Now, with that being said, we do have a sled that we put the hot tubs on. It's a big, huge sheet of really heavy-duty plastic, and the hot tubs are actually easier to move on that sled than they are on the cart. Now, what we can't do is we can't do big heaping drifts of snow. I mean, we can't go up and over drifts. But if we have a nice flat snow blanket of snow and your area is nice and flat, we can actually do that pretty well. I mean, we almost prefer to do it that way, to be honest with you. So we can deliver it there. We're going to set it into place. Now, the most important tip that I can give you is do not put water in that hot tub until the electrician is there. You have to have power to the hot tub before you put water in it. Don't fill it on anticipation that the electrician's going to be there. Make sure that there is power 100% to your hot tub, and you definitely want to do that. I will link a video up here of how you can actually fill your hot tub from inside the house, and you don't have to open up your faucets or anything like that. If that doesn't work, you can always go to your washer and hook up to the washing machine faucet and fill it that way. We really do not recommend filling your hot tub with hot water, because you can drain that hot water heater, and sometimes there's a lot of debris in the bottom of that hot water heater, and then that ends up in your hot tub and you got to clean that out. So just fill it with the regular tap water. Your hot tub will heat up. Now, there are cases where we will actually bring in a freeze guard kit. And what that is that's a tank heater, and I have a video up here on that as well. But it's a tank heater, and we'll put that tank heater inside the bucket, and we'll put that in the water as well, and we'll leave that with you until the hot tub actually gets hot. So then you actually have two sources of water heating that, because sometimes the heater line will freeze up a little bit. Not a big deal. It's really not a big deal. Once we get it warmed up, everything will fire off and the hot tub will heat on its own. But when it gets to that super bitter cold, these are just some of the things that we do to make sure you still get your hot tub and you can get it when you want it. I know hot tubs aren't out there as the availability to get them at the ultimate time that you want to get them. Unfortunately, that is just the economy we're in at the moment. But sooner or later, it is going to get back to normal. But in the meantime, we deliver year round. We never stop delivering hot tubs. So there is definitely some things that you can do. So just be ready, be patient. Don't be totally disappointed if your hot tub gets moved a day or two. I mean, it could happen. This is the part of the world we all live, and we understand that winter happens, and sometimes you have to reschedule things. What I would tell you is that we typically reschedule the whole schedule. So, and we don't schedule as heavy in the winter as we do in the summer. So there's usually a little bit of wiggle room where we can get you taken care of. Just kind of try to keep the area where the hot tub's going clear. Make sure you're communicating with your electrician so that we can get power to your hot tub. We will not fill that hot tub, and we do not want you to fill that hot tub until you have power to the hot tub. We will come back or we will show you how to do it and what you need to do, and we will definitely make sure that you are in good shape and nothing's going to happen. Do pay attention to the temperature. Do pay attention whether your hot tub is heating or not. That's a big deal. And when you do fill your hot tub for the first time, make sure you go through the filter compartment. If it's on hot springs, it's that gray standpipe. Make sure you do that, because if you don't, an airlock or some of the things that can sometimes make your hot tub not fire up the first time, we just don't have any wiggle room there. So it's really important that you're planning ahead. I know you get excited. I know it's Friday afternoon and you just got your hot tub and you want to fill it up. Wait till Monday. I'm just asking you to wait till Monday, because if something were to happen and your hot tub doesn't fire up, it's not always easy to get somebody out to you right away. And if you are going to fill it on a Friday afternoon or a Saturday afternoon, make sure you have a contingency plan in case that hot tub doesn't fire up. It works. I do it all the time, so there's no problems, but everybody has to communicate. So communicate with your dealer, communicate with your electrician. As long as everybody's talking with each other, you can definitely take your hot tub in the middle of the winter, and it is not a problem in any way, shape, or form. Just remember, guys, my goal here is to make you a happy hot tubber. Make sure that if you have any questions at all, you can definitely reach out to me. I can be reached on Instagram, the Hot Tub Lady on Instagram. Definitely, you can reach out to me there, and I would absolutely love it if you guys would subscribe, ring the bell, give me a thumbs up, and just remember, keep making life epic. I'll see you next Wednesday.